Hey everyone, in today's app of the day video, I want to show you this app called Airtime. It's a video chat app, but it has a really unique angle to it. You could actually stream movies, watch videos together, listen to music, and share photos right inside of the app with up to 10 people. So you could video chat with up to 10 people in a room. So what you do is you create a room, you can make the room secret, or you can make it open where other friends that you invite to that room could also invite other friends and get up to 10 people that way. And then you could search for a lot of different videos, a lot of movies, a lot of music files, and you could go ahead and stream those and all of you could watch it together and react to it. Very unique app. At the end of the video, I'll give them my rating from 1 to 5, but in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to get started with Airtime. If it's your first time here, I make easy to follow app of the day videos multiple times a week, so please consider subscribing. Let's jump into the phone. The Airtime app is available for iOS and Android. Go ahead and look for it in the App Store or Google Play Store and download the app. And go ahead and press open on the app. Get started. And you do have to put in your phone number and verify your phone number here. So type out your phone number and go ahead and add a photo. You could do this from your photo library or take a picture. And you could type in your full name here and a username you want to set up and make sure you get that green check mark on the right side and press continue. Now you could give it access to your contacts if you wanted to pull from your contact list. You could give it access to your camera and microphone, which you should do since this is a video chat app and it requires that. And you could turn on notifications here. So on the iPhone, for example, you have to enable contact permission here in the settings. So let me do that. Allow Airtime to access contacts. I'll press OK, and then I'll go back to the Airtime app. And it looks like we have to turn on notifications here. I'll press allow and press continue. And it looks like on this page, you do have to invite at least 3 friends to unlock and get to the next page. So pick friends that are already on Airtime or invite friends to Airtime. Just select 3 people minimum. And if those people don't have the app, it's gonna require you to send them a message so they could install the app and then they could join you on Airtime. If you pick people that are already on Airtime, it's not gonna require this step. This is the home page of Airtime. Let me show you around here. You have your profile icon on the top. If you press it, it brings you to this page where you could edit your profile or you could press share profile. Sharing your profile will let you send messages or invite people on Snapchat and Facebook, or copying your link and sending someone so they could join you here. Now let me show you how to create a room. I deleted the room that was already here when I created the account, but if you press create room here, it's gonna ask you to invite either all your friends. It will show them all here. You could go ahead and check them on. My other friends haven't joined yet, so I'll invite just my one friend here and press next. Now, room privacy, there's 2 different types of rooms. You could do secret rooms, so only friends you invite can join the room, or the party lets other people invite people to that room. So your friends that you invite to that room could also invite other people. In this case, I'll do the secret one, so I could choose who's in this room. And here you could just go ahead and check your microphone here, go ahead and mute your microphone. You have your camera here, and then when you're ready, you could go ahead and tap go live right here or on the bottom of the page. Now on the bottom of the page, I could stop and that will bring me back to the previous page, and then I'll press go live again. I have this mask option where I could put these masks on myself, press confirm, so that would change the way you look up here. And I'll press confirm to come back. And you could go ahead and flip the camera here to see the front facing camera and bring it back. And now if you want to watch something, just slide down here. Now you could tap on top here to add a video file. So let me tap up here, and you have all these different categories to choose from. Featured on Airtime, you could choose one of these here. You could choose channels, movies. So let me just go ahead and choose one of these movies here. And let's say I was to choose this movie here, I could go ahead and press play on it. And now that movie is playing on top and we could watch it together. So you have some options on the bottom while that's playing too. You could go ahead and press chat and send messages to each other if you don't want to talk. You could go ahead and press the movie icon and choose a different movie. And then you could also press add new people here to add people. Now I chose a secret room, so I have to invite people. My friends can't invite people since this is not a party room. Let me go ahead and just pause this movie here. You also have reactions and stickers and sounds that you could add to just make this a lot more fun here. And let me go ahead and press hide stage up here. and it will go back to the video chat part of this application. I could anytime press the movie and choose one of these other movies, music files, videos, photos, really anything here that I have access to. You could also press the search icon and it will search across the internet here. For example, if I search Howfinity, my channel here on YouTube, you see all my videos get pulled up over here. So I could go ahead and press one of those and it will start playing it right away on top here if I press play, and then we could both watch that video together and it's playing right on top over here. Now let me show you how to kind of make a playlist or a queue so you could play movies back to back. You could go ahead and hide this stage over here, and then I'll press the movie icon over here to go back up, and I could select other videos here. Let me just select this one over here, and there's that icon on next to each of these videos. I could go ahead and add these to my queue here. Now if I go X out of here and go back to my original here and show stage and play my movie, I could go ahead and slide the movie here to the left, and I could see the other things that I had added to the queue over here, and they'll play one at a time. I hope you found this app of the day useful. I'm going to give this app a 4.5 out of 5 because I found it a little bit confusing when you invite people how to get back to streaming more movies, adding queues. I think it could use a little bit improvement in the layout of the app and how you use it. But the functionality of the app was flawless. The videos worked perfectly. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.